Field research is important. As we walk through this prairie, we are looking for the small animals I study, hoping to document a snapshot in time when they call this area home. And for every species we find, there may be many more undetected. I study mammals, particularly mice and rats, because these small animals reflect big issues. In my research, I track the populations of species in a specific region. We do this by catching and releasing these scurrying mammals at set intervals. You see how small these animals are? Some species are easier to catch, and others are more elusive. Some simply are rare and/or have small population sizes. When we finish a survey, we can use statistical methods to estimate how many more have eluded us. Then, we use geographic information systems to gather data about the land, atmosphere, and environment. Layering this information with statistical models, we can estimate how the population has changed over time and space. We can also identify trends and forecast possible future outcomes. These studies show us so much, and not just about the animals themselves. For example, a study might tell us about changes in climate. Too little rain over time may cause a species to shift its range to another region. Agricultural practices, deforestation, or woody encroachment can also make habitats less homey. These are just two examples of disruptions of habitats. My students and I are identifying and examining where these wildlife species live and then tracking it over time. Unfortunately, there's not a detailed record for some wildlife species in this region, so we're setting the baselines in many cases. My hope is that collecting these data will help future generations of researchers make connections, have evidence, and propose solutions to environmental issues. Because we're all part of the bigger picture.